Hello and welcome to my short video of this VW Transporter Highline Kombi van. It's a new model, it's a T6.1, it's a short wheelbase. It comes with a 199 PS 2 litre bi-turbo diesel engine. It also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. It's a used 70 plate and it comes fully VW approved. It comes in pure grey. And now for a quick look around the vehicle. To the front of the vehicle, it comes with front assist with city emergency braking. It also comes with front fog lights, front parking sensors. This particular Kombi comes with 17-inch alloy wheels. On both sides of the vehicle, comes with side sliding doors. It also comes with privacy glass. In the side sliding doors, it comes with opening windows. To the rear of the Kombi, comes with a rear tailgate, rear parking sensors. It also has a heated rear screen with rear wash wipe. And now for a quick look inside the vehicle. This Kombi comes with 5 comfortable seats. It also comes in bricks woven fabric upholstery in black. It also comes with some armrests on the 2 front seats. This is for added comfort on long journeys. It also comes with a leather wrapped steering wheel with a flat bottom. Flat bottom's ideal for ease of getting in and out of the vehicle. It also comes with cruise control functions on this side of the steering wheel. This Kombi has covered 8,557 miles. It also comes with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with a system called App Connect. It also comes with DAB radio, and it also comes with a parking distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This Kombi also comes with air conditioning, your 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. The 3 rear seats come with Isofix anchorage points across all the seats. It also comes with a bulkhead behind the second row seats with a glass window. And now for a quick look at the load area. The rear load area comes in good condition. It's also clean and it's a good space. Just show you the second row seats again. If you'd like more information on this vehicle, please call 0121 260 3000 and a member of our sales team will be able to answer your questions with a personalised detailed video of this vehicle. And thank you for your time.